If your laptop has been running slow lately, this video will help you speed it up without installing any software. Use these step-by-step process to make your laptop fast. Step 1. Disable startup apps. First press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Then go to Startup Apps. Disable apps you don't need starting automatically when your laptop boots up. This can improve startup speed significantly. Step 2. Delete temporary files. Press Windows plus R. A dialog box will appear. Type TEMP. A window will display. Delete the temporary files you see. These files build up over time and can slow your laptop down. Step 3. Free up storage. Make sure your laptop storage is not almost full. Delete unnecessary videos. Duplicate files. Apps you no longer use. A fuller drive can reduce performance. Step 4. Reduce background apps. Too many apps running in the background can make your laptop lag. Close apps you are not using, especially browsers with many tabs open. Now that's how to make your laptop faster without even installing any software. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Follow Tech Made Simple for more useful tech tutorials.